Hello, welcome to this week's vlog. This week's vlog is Perranporth light switch on. So it might get a bit chaotic, you might only just see the lights being switched on. You might see some Santa footage, you might see chaos and us drinking. That's pretty much going to be it. And enjoying the festivities. So yes, I do have my elf hat on. I am feeling festive. My Christmas tree is going up tomorrow. What are you doing that's festive? And do you know what? One thing I would really like from you guys for Christmas this year, please, pretty please, is 100 subscribers. I've got 87 subscribers at this point, and I would really like 100. So please, could you make that happen? Please, I've been a good girl. Anyway, hope you have fun. We're at Spoons and we just got dinner. Nothing too exciting. We've got like a catsuit curry thing. The kid got a burger. I'm sorry I didn't show you, but there's the remnants of empty plates. And a kid.
Yeah, you and Dad got a curry thing as well, I think.
Yeah, he got like I don't know, we got like sweet and sour chicken or something? Something like that. Yeah, and then we're just having some drinks. This is not my drink with the 0-0. This is my rum that is nearly gone.
Right, stand here.
Nice to meet you. He is there, I promise you. Is that nice bold wine? That's a bold wine, that's got a kick to it. Got a bit pie as well. Got a bit of spice to it still. It's very nice, it's very warm, very hot. It's keeping me warm. It is very nice. Oh, the old people's home have got, there's so many lights you can't see them. Just see if it will focus. Oh, they're so pretty. There's some between the houses, there's some up there. Yeah, look at this. I'm going to come down the big road now. Oh, there's one on a motorbike! Oh, there's a Santa on a motorbike over there. Oh, I'm going to get a closer look in a minute. Oh. We're going to go into the park and see the lights in the park. There's a lot of people in here. That's it for your little dose of Christmas cheer for this week, and I really hope you have a lovely Christmas and you're getting ready for the festivities, but yeah, I mean it. I really want for Christmas 100 subscribers. If you can make that happen, you'll make my Christmas. Thank you very much. Take care. Like and subscribe and comment and do all the things that you know you need to do. Love you, bye.